Do you want to add your trusted connections? In this video, I will show you how to add trusted connections and friends on Roblox step by step. So to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Roblox. Then here in this page, you will have this sign of more. You will wait a moment. Here you will find this sign of more, so you will click on it like this, more. After that, here in this page, you will scrolling down until you find settings. So you will enter to settings. Then you will find a window called account information. You will click on account information. Then here in this page of account information, you have to check your age by camera ID or by ID search, card or something like that. So you will click here. When you click here, they will check your age by your face. So I already check it here. You can also find it, as you see here, use an ID to verify your birthday if you want. So anyway, here you will go back to the first page. You can find here connections, or you can go to home and you can find it here, connections make Roblox, and you will click on this sign of connect. After that, here as you see, you will find to connect with your contacts or your QR code. If someone is far from you or in another country, you can you can take a picture of this QR code and send it to them on your WhatsApp or another platform, or you can just simply here click on contacts and invite your contacts here this page by clicking on invite in that way here. For example, let's check here, invite this friend or this contacts, and they will invite them here on SMS. You click on this sign and you can send it, as you see here. If you have money to send this message, you can send it. So that's it. This is how you can add connections on Roblox. When you add them, they will appear here to you in this first page on Roblox. So if you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.